Because remember, after World War One, the U.S. was a financial powerhouse because Europe was destroyed. We were a global leader, but yet we back away and we're like, we're not getting involved in this Treaty of Versailles. So I always tell my students, it's kind of like the Justice League without Superman.
Yeah.
Like, then what do you really have? You have a guy who dressed up like a bat and a guy who talks to fish.
Hey, I
Awesome.
like hey,
Well,
I like
how much
Batman.
is really gonna like? Yeah, but how much? What are they really gonna do when like
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
a big threat comes in? You're gonna throw a batarang at him.
Yeah.
Awesome. Or do you want the guy that can breathe a hurricane? So it's gonna be a little bit of a difference there.
Yeah. Do you have
And
anything
you,
else for World War One?
well, really, just the U.S. getting involved in World War One.
Yeah.
Like the Zimmerman telegram and why the U.S. gets involved, but mostly because what you talked about before, because it pushes America gets put in a conflict and they emerge as a global power, but then they retreat after that,
Yeah.
which kind of sets the stage for some of the other events that we're going to be talking about in a few minutes, I'm sure.
Imagine though they didn't. Like, what if the United States steps up, says, "Yeah, we're like what happens in the United Nations later on after World War II? We kind of take our place at the helm.